Given China's government limits on cryptocurrency transactions, NEO has the potential to become the cryptocurrency of choice in the severely restricted country, and possibly the entire world. From the start, NEO's on-chain technology has been intended to be regulator-friendly, with a centralized approach, unlike most cryptocurrencies. This appears to be promising, but is it that good? Do you want to learn more about NEO cryptocurrency? If you answered yes, then please continue watching. But first, hello and welcome back to the channel. This is CryptoNow, and we're back with another incredible video. So please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of each new upload. NEO is a software network that aims to allow anybody to transact and create decentralized products and services. NEO is known as the Ethereum of China because it shares many of the same capabilities as its better-known counterparts, such as the capacity to create decentralized applications, or dApps, for decentralized exchanges, prediction markets, and social networks, among other things. The NEO network also provides various other services to its users, like a decentralized file storage system, an identification system, and an oracle system for bringing in external data, like price data. NEO's consensus mechanism for the computers that run its software is a unique governance system called Delegated Byzantine Fault Tolerant, or DBFT. Two native cryptocurrencies, NEO and Gas, are at the heart of the company's blockchain operations. NEO is used to vote on protocol updates, and Gas is used to pay for network processing. We will talk more about this later in the video. If you want to stay up to speed on NEO's development, use the subscribe button to get the latest information. So, how does it work? NEO's platform lets developers utilize its software to execute smart contracts known as NEO contracts and create new applications such as dApps, which are designed to mimic real-world products and services. NEO contracts differ from other smart contract-based protocols in that instead of learning a new language, developers may construct apps using a range of current languages such as C# and Java. As a result, NEO contracts' flexibility to work with various programming languages may appeal to a broader range of developers looking to create or support dApps. NEO uses a consensus mechanism called Delegated Byzantine Fault Tolerant to secure its blockchain and maintain its distributed network of computers in sync. DBFT uses a real-time voting system to determine which machines running the software can build the next block on the NEO blockchain, similar to the Delegated Proof of Stake, DPoS. This means that anyone who has NEO can contribute to the network's operation. Each NEO token, also known as a NEO coin, can be staked to signify a vote. The more NEO that is staked, the greater the voting power. All NEO owners who stake NEO can then vote for the consensus nodes, who are in charge of constructing blocks. Consensus nodes get the network's transaction fees, which are paid in gas money for proposing and adding new blocks to the NEO blockchain. The NEO platform's two native tokens have different functions. The NEO coins signify ownership of the NEO blockchain. They're used to produce blocks and administer the network, and you'll get gas tokens if you keep NEO in your wallet. On the other hand, the gas tokens grant you access to the NEO blockchain. Gas is the fuel that powers transaction in the NEO system, much like Ether is to the Ethereum network. Alright, let's talk about what makes NEO unique. The NEO platform is distinct from Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies due to its NEO and Gas token mechanism. The following are three distinct characteristics that distinguish it. Firstly, the NEO is in indivisible units. NEO's smallest unit will always be one share, which cannot be divided like other currencies such as Bitcoin. The main reason for this is that, like stock or service shares, NEO cannot be divided into fractions. If the value of NEO rises, this could become a problem, but exchanges already have their methods of distributing the coin. The second thing that makes it unique is that it generates gas. The two-tiered structure of NEO and Gas is the most distinguishing feature. Users often acquire NEO tokens, which reflect their share in the platform's future, rather than Gas, which may be bought and traded on a few exchanges. When you transfer NEO to your NEO-compatible wallet, the benefits of the two-tier structure kicks in. As more blocks are generated by the blockchain's construction, you immediately start creating gas while holding NEO. For every 100 million NEO in existence, 8 gas are distributed with each new block. The value of gas is divorced from the value of NEO, comparable to Ethereum, but considerably different from Bitcoin mining. In contrast, the value of a Bitcoin mined is the same as the value of a Bitcoin purchased. On the NEO network, gas is utilized to pay transaction fees. The third feature that distinguishes NEO is its smart contracts. NEO Contract, NEO's smart contract protocol, can execute and manage smart contracts using most common programming languages, including industry standards Python, Java, C#, and JavaScript. This means that nearly any developer can utilize the system, which fosters cross-platform functionality. So we've mentioned gas in this video, but how do you generate it? To obtain a wallet and begin creating gas, simply purchase NEO and store it in a suitable wallet. This is similar to owning an interest in a company and receiving dividends. Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, LTC, and other cryptocurrencies can be used to purchase NEO. Alright, we've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it thus far. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and turn on notifications to be updated of new uploads. Doesn't NEO sound great? But how do you buy it? The first thing you should do is select a trading partner. Sign up for an account on an exchange that lists NEO in one or more currency pairs. Before you can trade, you'll need to provide your email address and create a password. Some exchanges may also ask for your name, address, and proof of ID. After selecting, it's time to make a deposit. You may convert USD for NEO on some platforms. Because other sites only enable crypto-to-crypto trades, you'll need to deposit BTC, ETH, LTC, or another coin that has a pairing with NEO. And now it's time to purchase NEO. Go to your account's exchange area and look for the currency pair you desire, such as BTC NEO or ETH NEO. You can then place your order by selecting a market or limit order, specifying the amount of NEO you want to buy or the amount of money you want to spend. You'll have NEO tokens in an online wallet provided for you by the crypto exchange once the transaction is finished. This isn't ideal because, with a few exceptions, you can only generate gas if you have NEO in your wallet. If you want to generate gas, you should consider moving your assets to a NEO-compatible wallet. For most consumers, especially those fresh to the realm of cryptocurrency, NEO is a pretty tricky idea. This is one aspect that could hinder platform adoption, but there are other things to consider, so keep these items in mind before investing. The first is that there are no share fractions. One of the most prominent criticisms of NEO is that it is indivisible. Bitcoin and other digital currencies avoid this difficulty by making their coins divisible to 8 decimal places, the Satoshi. This implies that even when Bitcoin's value rises, consumers may still buy coins within their price range. You won't be able to do this with NEO. If one NEO costs $1,000, you'll have to pay at least $1,000 to get in. Another disadvantage is that it takes a long time to synchronize compared to other currencies. The platform's second most common criticism is that the blockchain takes an excessively long time to synchronize updates, like when transferring NEO from an exchange to your wallet. This may be rectified in the future. However, paying for any large value transactions requiring immediate confirmation would be impractical. Overall, as intriguing as the notion of NEO is, there is only one certainty about its future. No one knows where it will go. Many people believed its worth would rise in 2018, but others weren't so sure. After all, while NEO's quick rise to around $40 in August 2017 was spectacular, it was still mostly a reflection of Bitcoin's explosive growth. NEO had fallen to roughly $23 by September 2017. It began to recover in early 2018, reaching a new high of more than $80 at the start of the year. One advantage of NEO is that it has been supported by the Chinese government, while remaining distinct from other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum and Bitcoin. This can both legitimize and alienate the NEO platform from the rest of the world. NEO's future is still up in the air, and much remains to be seen. The NEO platform enables the physical object to be linked to a unique digital avatar on the network. NEO is also in favor of asset protection. The assets registered on its platform have a digital identity that has been verified and are legally protected. So investing is safe, but are you going to do it? This concludes today's video. Please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of new uploads. This is CryptoNow, and we'll see you in our next video.